Welcome the R channel. Today we how to set up Cloudflare R2 for image uploads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the appropriate domain. In the left sidebar, click on R2 to access the storage section. If you have not already created a bucket, click on Create Bucket. Enter a name for your bucket and select the appropriate region. Click Create to finalize your bucket setup. Next, locate the Access Keys section within the R2 dashboard. Generate a new access key by clicking the Create Access Key button. Make sure to save your access key and secret key in a secure place, as this information will be needed later. Now, open your terminal or command prompt. Install the AWS CLI if you haven't done it yet, using the command relevant to your operating system. Once installed, configure the AWS CLI with the following command, AWS configure. When prompted, enter your Cloudflare R2 endpoint as the AWS access key ID and secret access key. Set the default region name to match the region of your bucket. For the output format, you can leave it as JSON or choose another option based on your preference. Now, test your setup by using the command AWS S3ls with your Cloudflare R2 URL. If everything is configured correctly, you should see your R2 bucket listed. To upload an image, use the command AWS S3cp, local file path, S3 / bucket name, replace local file path with the path to your image file and bucket name with the name of your R2 bucket. Once the upload is complete, verify by running the command AWS S3ls S3 / bucket name / Your image should now be visible in the list. For direct access to your uploaded images, note the URL format, https bucket name, account ID. You can now implement this URL in your application to display the images. And that's it. You've successfully set up Cloudflare R2 for image uploads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.